Welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of MEXC, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Plus, we'll show you how to maximize your benefits using the referral code 12K4M5. Let's get started. MEXC is a comprehensive platform that offers a range of trading options, from spot trading to futures. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced trader, MEXC has features to cater to all levels. But first, let's talk about how to get started. To create an account on MEXC, visit their official website, click on Sign Up, and fill out your email address, set a strong password, and enter the referral code 12K4M5. This code can unlock some special benefits for you. After submitting your details, you'll receive a verification email. Just click the link in that email to verify your account, and you're good to go. MEXC offers a variety of bonuses depending on your deposit and trading activity. For example, by depositing a certain amount and achieving specific trading volumes, you can earn bonuses up to $1,000 USDT. Smaller bonuses are also available for less intense trading activities, making it suitable for traders of all levels. Remember, to claim these bonuses, make sure you meet the conditions specified, such as depositing within a certain period after signing up and hitting the required trading volumes. MEXC provides a wide range of trading options. You can engage in spot trading, where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies at current market prices. For those looking to leverage market movements, MEXC also offers futures trading with up to 200x leverage. Additionally, you can participate in staking and yield farming to earn rewards on your crypto holdings. The MEXC platform is highly user-friendly, with a clean and intuitive interface. They also offer a mobile app for both iOS and Android, so you can manage your trades on the go. One of the highlights of MEXC is its extensive list of supported cryptocurrencies. With over 2,300 coins and 2,800 trading pairs, you'll find major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, as well as a vast array of altcoins. This diversity allows you to diversify your portfolio and explore new investment opportunities. Now let's talk about fees. MEXC offers competitive trading fees, with spot trading fees set at 0.1% for both maker and taker. If you hold MEXC's native token, MEXC, you can get significant discounts. Holding 1,000 MEXC tokens, for example, gives you a 100% discount on spot trading fees and a 50% discount on futures trading fees. This can help you save a lot, especially if you trade in large volumes. Security is a top priority at MEXC. They use bank-level multi-signature cold storage to protect user funds, along with two-factor authentication, 2FA, and IP monitoring to safeguard your account. MEXC also has a proof of reserve system to ensure that all user assets are held securely on the exchange. MEXC offers robust customer support through various channels, including live chat, email, and a detailed help center. They aim to respond to inquiries within a few days, ensuring that traders can get the help they need promptly. To sum it up, here are some pros and cons of using MEXC. Pros: extensive range of supported cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees with additional discounts for MEXC holders, advanced trading features like futures and leverage strong security measures. Cons: customer support response times could be improved. Some bonuses require high trading volumes to unlock. MEXC offers a robust trading platform suitable for both beginners and seasoned traders. With a wide range of cryptocurrencies, competitive fees, and strong security measures, it's definitely worth considering. Don't forget to use the referral code 12K4M5 when you sign up to unlock special benefits. So what are you waiting for? Sign up on MEXC today using the referral code 12K4M5 and start your crypto trading journey with a boost. Happy trading, and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.